Marwa. I'm Egyptian. I work at the American University in Cairo. I really enjoyed studying the course here. It's about a personal assistant, executive personal assistant, and our instructor, Professor Nigel, is just an amazing instructor. Thank you.
My name is Luma Al-Jaraja. I'm from Jordan, from UNHCR Jordan. I came here to attend the Certified Executive Personal Assistant course with the LEORON company. It was a wonderful course. I learned a lot. Nigel is an excellent teacher. He has lots of experience, and in addition to the actual material that he delivered, the impact of his experience on our learning is excellent. I thank you very much for this course, and I will definitely encourage my colleagues at UNHCR to actually attend it. Thank you very much.